Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. I got my Hover Cam from school this week, so I'll be able to do some writing on that. We'll see how that works out. I'm a little nervous about it. It'll look like this. This week's topic is sequences word problems. We're going to combine both arithmetic and geometric sequences in this topic and see how it works out in real world problems. The first one, a tree farm has 70 rows of trees. Now I went ahead and printed it so I can circle this for you. 70 rows of trees. The first row has 18 trees. So the first row has 18 trees. The second row has 24 trees. The third row has 30 trees, and so on. Let n be the number of the row. Write a function f of n to represent the number of total trees in the nth row. Now I've written notes and I've uploaded them so you can check back those for reference. But the first thing you need to do, I actually put it second on the notes, but I recommend starting with it, is make a table. On the left side we'll have n. On the right it'll be f of n. N is the number of the row. So the first row has 18 trees. Put that in your chart. First row, 18 trees. Second row, 24 trees. Third row, 30 trees. Okay, now you can use this information to figure out if it's geometric or arithmetic. If it changes by the same amount every time, it's arithmetic. So 24 minus 18 is 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. So yeah, it is. It's arithmetic. Remember, the equation for arithmetic is f of n equals a plus d times n minus 1. A is your first term. D is your common difference, in this case 6. Okay, so now we're going to plug those numbers in. F of n equals, my first term is 18, so plug that in, plus my common difference is 6. We're adding 6 each time, times n minus 1. Okay, to simplify, you have to distribute, remember. Don't forget that step. Remember, we were doing this on the last week of actual classes, and a lot of you were forgetting that step. 6 times n is 6n. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. 18 minus 6 is 12, plus 6n. So I'm going to plug that in here. F of n equals 12 plus 6n. Okay, now the second one says predict the number of trees in row 44. Remember, n is the number of the row. So what row is it? It's row 44. So we're going to plug in 44 to this equation. So f of 44 equals 12 plus 6 times 44. I'm going to get out my handy dandy calculator. Do 6 times 44 first. Add 12. 276. F of 44, 276. Or in other words, there are 276 trees. If we were doing this on paper, I would make you write, there are 276 trees in row 44. Please be aware, though, that Get More Math does require a label. You have to write the word trees there, or it's not going to give you credit. Let's plug these in, make sure it works. f of n equals 12 plus 6n and 276 trees. Woohoo! I did it right. I'll do several more of these because they do get complicated. Good luck.